they've
Absolutely. Stay with us. More news coming in. The meeting between the foreign secretaries of Bangladesh and Pakistan has taken place at the State Guest House, Jamuna in Bangladesh today. Foreign Secretary Mohammad Jasimuddin has been leading the Bangladesh delegation, while his Pakistani counterpart Amna Baluch is leading the visiting side. This comes as a major development as top diplomats from the two countries are meeting for the first Foreign Office consultation in 15 years. Pakistan is pushing to expand its textile and cotton exports to Bangladesh and is eyeing direct air connectivity, with two airlines applying to operate flights between the two countries. Officials have also discussed potential trade routes linking Bangladesh to Afghanistan and Iran via Pakistan. This visit sets the stage for a high-profile trip later this month, as Pakistan's Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar is expected in Dhaka. This will be the first visit by a Pakistan Foreign Minister in over a decade. Relations between the two countries have been developing since the collapse of the Sheikh Hasina-led government. Pia Aman is joining us for more on this story. Pia, what was on the agenda of this meeting?
You aptly put it, Yunus has been pivoting towards Pakistan ever since the ouster of Sheikh Hasina. There's been a lot of discussion, especially with regards to trade. Pakistan is looking at enhancing textile and cotton exports to Bangladesh, and they're also, in fact, eyeing direct air connectivity. Two airlines are, in fact, now applying to operate flights between the two countries. Remember, Uday, we had seen that Bangladesh had earlier allowed a visa-free waiver for travelers from Bangladesh to Pakistan. So a lot has been taking place on this front as well. There's also a discussion on potential trade routes linking Bangladesh to Afghanistan and Iran via Pakistan that also cropped up during this discussion. But also in picture is the larger goal of what Yunus is trying to accomplish. Ever since he came to power, we've been seeing an obvious pro-Pakistan tilt. He's met with Shehbaz Sharif twice. He's endorsed Pakistan's push for a revival of the SAARC as well. Bangladesh has in fact been seeing massive ammunition imports from Pakistan, and in fact there are several advisors that are very close to Yunus that are calling for a Beijing, Islamabad, Dhaka axis. We've also seen recently the visit of General Asim Munir. We've seen the fact that ships from Karachi have been allowed to dock in Chattogram. So this is, of course, a crucial development that we will be keeping our eyes peeled for. And as you rightly put it, Uday, there's going to be another high-profile trip later this month. Pakistan's Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar is expected to be in Dhaka. So we'll keep our eyes
Pia
peeled
Aman,
for.
thank you for the time being, for joining us with those updates. On that note, let's take a short break.
अगर आप बनना चाहते हैं एंकर, या फिर आप में है जुनून एक तेज तर्रार न्यूज रिपोर्टर बनने का, तो आप ज्वाइन करें ITV और